Namaste everyone. Today we look at the key concept that avoid taking important decisions in life when one is in emotionally unstable state. So with this, let us begin with the invocation prayer. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarvavignopashantaye Yasyadviradavaktradyah Parishadyah Parashatam Vignam Nighnanti Satatam Vishwaksenam Tamashraye Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Shakteh Pautramakalmasham Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatam Taponidhim Krishnaya Yadavendraya Jnanamudraya Yogine Nathaya Rukminishaya Namo Vedanta Vedine Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahaihi Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahaihi Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. So today let's chant from the 41st sloka onwards in the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna Vishada Yogaha. Adharmabhibhavat Krishna pradushyanti kulastriyaha strishu dushtasu varshneya jayate varna sankaraha Sankaro narakayaiva kulagnanam kulasya cha patanti pitaro hyesham luptapindodakakriyaha Doshairete kulagnanam varnasankarakaihi Utsadyante jati dharmaha kuladharmascha shashvataha Utsanna kuladharmanam manushyanam janardana narake niyatam vasaha bhavati ityanushruma Aho batamahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam yadrajya sukhalobhena hamtum svajanamudyataha yadi mama pratikaram ashastram shastrapanayaha dhartarashtrarane hanyuho tanme kshemataram bhavet Sanjaya uvacha evamuktvārjunas sankhye rathopasthavupavishatu visrujya sasharam chapam shoka samvignamanasaha. So the final verses of chapter 1 of Gita are a very powerful visual. Arjuna, the greatest warrior, drops his bow and sinks onto his seat, completely filled with sorrow. This is his lowest emotional point of life. The practical lesson for us is simple. Don't decide on any important decisions of your life at your emotional low point. When we are overwhelmed by work stress, conflict, grief, the path of least resistance, like quitting or withdrawing completely feels incredibly wise. We often think, this must be my clarity telling me to stop. But our insight warns us. It is not clarity, it is just the powerful lure of immediate relief. Relief is a temporary emotion, not a value that one should abide by. So, when you hit the low point, institute these three things. Number one, hit the 24-hour pause. Your only job is to seek stillness, not force a solution. You're not allowed to make the final decision at that moment. Wait for the initial emotional paralysis to pass, and only then, once your consciousness is recalibrated and your mind is clear, you feel comfortable, should you pick up your bow and act. So, bottom line, regain stability first and then decide. Let's conclude. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Thank you. Let us meet in the next session.